All right, we're out here ice fishing once again. We got Carson here helping us today. We ain't even got done setting up yet. We already got 3 fish on the ice. Carson's gonna show you his big one he got already. It's maybe 2 pounds, 2.5, I don't know. Probably the biggest bass you ever caught, ain't it, Carson? Unless Bunk took you. But Lance is over there. He's still trying to finish setting up. Carson's already got 2 of them. Lance got 1. Pick him up, Carson, show him. You gotta hold him out towards the camera so he looks big. Oh yeah, hold him sideways like that. Carson, this one's different. See this thing? Slow down. See this thing on top? That little cross thing? You just grab a hold of it. Don't let it spin in your hand. And set the hook with that. Yeah, just grab hold of it and don't let it spin. Set the hook. Pull it hard. Did you get him? Keep it hand over. Set it down. Keep the line tight. Yeah, you got him. Get him up on the ice. There you go. What'd you get, one? Oh, bluegill. This is that janky one here. I'll show you. He's not even there. Oh yeah, he's there. Now you can just set this down. There, yeah, I'm putting that line back there behind me. Yeah. Nice fish. Ooh. Yeah. Real nice fish. There might be a big bass in this place. Yeah. Oh, it's as big as yours, Carson? Yeah. I think so. Yeah. All right, guys. See if this big boy wants to go. Oh yeah. Here you go, big boy. That's where the big one came from too. Minnow wasn't that big I put on there. He's there. Get him?
Yep. Feels decent.
He's all right. Not bad. Not a bad fish.
Not a good one.
Carson, you had all day to get there.
Oh, I couldn't tell where it was.
It's the flag that's up. When you yell flag up.
Okay.
Carson with the wheels. All right, now quit stomping when you get closer so you don't scare him so much. Spinning it all. He's there. I'll set the hook. Set the hook. Set the hook. Pull it. You get him?
Yeah. It's wrapped around my finger.
You can't let it get slapped from there. Listen. There. You guys are supposed to take your gloves off before you get here. Get him out. Get him out. Ooh, there you go. Carson's fish make it look really big compared to Carson right there. Spinning, he's spinning. Now set the hook right there. Set it, pull it. Now keep the line tight. You got him?
Yeah.
Here, don't pull it like that. Keep the line off the ice as much as you can out here. Oh yeah, he's a good one. He's a good one. Pull it in. Can you? If you can. You didn't get your gloves off. Oh, there we go.
Another good one.
Yeah.
Good job, bud.
He's a good hook.
I think we found the honey hole, Barry.
Yeah.
That's bigger yet, isn't it?
I don't know. It's bigger than the other one he's got. He's going to have to throw this one back. I'll hold it up, Carson.
That's a good one, bud.
Here, stick it down here to this tape measure and see what it measures.
Yeah.
And laying down then with. You see where he's at? Right in there. What's that? Yeah. 20 and a half.
Yeah, 4 pounds or probably. I wish I had my scale in there.
Yeah. Here, Carson. We're gonna throw him back. I gotta take a picture of him though. I'll send you these pictures in a little bit, Carson.
Here, I'll show you how to hold that phone.
I showed him earlier. Yeah, we'll start turning these babies loose.
Get your head. So you use two fingers.
Yeah, you don't want your hand makes it look small.
Yeah, so use like 2 fingers. Yeah, get your fingers rolled out. Yeah, just like that, where you barely can see your finger.
Now stick him out.
Stick him out like this and kind of turn him down towards the
turn.
camera. Yep, now hold him out in front of you. Yep.
He don't look no bigger than the other one. Hold him, pick him up so he's closer to your face a little bit. There you go. He don't look no bigger than the other one. Carson's releasing his big 3.5, 4 pounder head first down in the hole, Carson.
Got him by his tail.
Oh, he didn't even, he just flopped him in there.
Bait down.
Get him.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Decent size thing is.
Yeah. Head shaker.
Oh, he's not one of the big ones though.
Just still.
Oh. Nice fish. We're in the good bass today. Got him all covered in snow. Get him.
Right the eye. Don't feel real big, but
Not real big. Boom. These are our gill fishers over here. They haven't got any keepers yet. Oh, he's got one on though. Just a little guy. May not be no big gills in here, but I bet there's a school of big ones somewhere. Usually they're not with the little ones.
I don't know, it's getting closer. Getting closer.
I kept a few like that the other day to scale. You don't let them bite it at all. I let them take it.
Oh, I get sick of them. Oh, it's no wonder.
Oh yeah, he's a trophy. We got more bait.
I think you might need to come up because the first fish he brought up, he brought a little.
I think he's got him on both.
yeah,
He's on both hooks somehow. I don't know which one he caught him on.
he's got both hooks in his mouth.
He's definitely got both of them in his mouth.
He probably ate them both.
I think he just grabbed one and then went up and grabbed the other one before Carson even knew he had a bite.
No, I could tell he had a bite. I just couldn't tell if he was on.
I think that one got in his mouth. I think he got him on the top hook.
Yeah.
The top one's hooked. The other one was just in his mouth, you know?
Yeah.
We're going to go ahead and release him, even though he's your big one of the day, Carson. Oh, maybe. It could be.
The best I ever had. I mean, what did we put in there? Red onion, cilantro, tomato, perch, lemon. That's what they do. They're bastards.
You got to put a hole right here, Carson.
He had them. I lured him over.
You got no crackers?
I
We'll lure him back.
I do got crackers. You know, I do, Carson. I fish right in the guy's hole when he pulls one out.
Yeah. Well, he's messing around with that. Drop it in there. Ain't fast enough to beat me there, Drew.
Smaller.
Can't tell. Fighter. Man, that was good. We're just out here slaying these bass like this, a little bigger all day long. public property. If you're willing to walk in to get them, they're here. Oh, Carson's got his first run. Oh, Lance is racing him to it. Nothing. Limped. Just say if he ain't there, if I could just let it sit. Oh, he's there.
Yep. Oh. Yeah, oh.
I knew he was there.
Oh, get ready. Oh. Don't get off. Oh, don't pull on that.
No, I'm just trying to keep it off the ice. Trying to keep it off that. Oh, yeah. Another nice one.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
That's a big one.
That ain't the big one. That ain't as big as the one I had.
That's bad.
All right. What do you think about this ice fish on this public property, huh, Drew?
Not a bad day, ladies and gents. Holy shit.
You see that? He ain't very big. Catfish. We're just catfish dynamite for this ice fishing. You see how that line was?
That was really weird.
I don't know how it got like that, but I got me a catfish today. Oh, you think this one's yours because I got the last one? I do. This one's went off like 3 times and I got a fish on them. Got him?
Yeah. Feels like the other ones.
Nope, not real big. Not bad. Not bad. 16-inch bass or so. 15-inch maybe. You ask people about these public prawns and they just tell you they're overfished. We can come out here in the winter and just slay these bass. All right, folks. You talk to people about this public property we got out here, they'll tell you these ponds are overfished, but as we've been proven time and time again this winter, we can come out here and catch fish. This ain't at all one of the biggest ones we caught today, but it's still nice fish. Everything we're catching here is nice, healthy fish. You gotta get back in off the road. You can't just fish the ponds beside the road. And you'll just catch the same little bit dinky fish that everybody else is chasing. Yeah. Well, folks, we had another good day on the ice here. We got, I don't know, 15 or 16 bass. I'm not even sure how many we got. They were all nice quality fish. We didn't get any dinks today. And we got some really, really big ones. Not huge, but still nice fish. And got 2 catfish. But we had another good day on the ice. We're gonna head out now, make the long walk back to the truck. If you're willing to walk though, there's fish here to be caught. I can't tell you that enough times.